5 Excel tricks you need to start using today. Number 1. Flash fill. Type a pattern in the first cell. Then press Ctrl+E. Excel instantly fills the rest for you. No formulas, no stress. Number 2. Remove duplicates. Select your data. Go to Data. Click Remove Duplicates. Clean table, zero manual work. Number 3. Quick Sum. Select the cells you want to add. Look at the bottom of the screen. Boom! Instant sum. No formula needed. Number 4. Convert text to columns. Select the column. Go to Data. Click Text to Columns. Choose Delimiter. Done. Perfect for splitting names or emails. Number 5. Freeze panes. Click View. Freeze panes. Your headers will stay visible as you scroll. This saves so much time in big spreadsheets. Now you know 5 powerful Excel tricks. Try them today. You will feel the difference. Save this video so you do not forget. Follow for more Excel shortcuts and smart office tips.